Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ayman Ashraf and today I'll be sharing the most recent developments of the stock market performance over the week. Throughout the week, there has been a positive momentum in the market, taking the index level to an all-time high of 68,416 points. This strong momentum is attributable to value hunting by investors following promising inflation number and expectation of interest rate reversal. अगर इंडेक्स की बात की जाए तो वी सॉ अ सिग्निफिकेंट वीक ऑन वीक इंक्रीज ऑफ 2.1% to close at 68,417 points. Market participation was down by 7% week on week, with average 307 million shares traded during the week. Meanwhile, average traded value settled at $42 million. Additionally, this week's volume leaders were PIA, WTL, Pakistan Telecommunication Limited, Synergy and Agritech Limited. In addition to this, foreign buying continued throughout last week, reaching $3.9 million as compared to the net buy of $3.6 million previous week. Major buying was witnessed in commercial banks and fertilizer. On the local front, selling was reported by insurance companies and brokers. On the news side, the headline inflation for the month of March 2024 came in at 20.7%. on a year-on-year basis, indicating a decline from the previous month where the year-on-year inflation rate was recorded at 23.1%. According to the World Bank, Pakistan's economic growth is expected to pick up from the current fiscal year but remain below 3% for the next 2 years. On the other hand, Lahore High Court on 2nd April 2024 ruled in favor of the pharmaceutical sector, invalidating the stay order against the deregulation of maximum retail prices of the non-essential drugs. In addition to this, petroleum sales during 9 months of the current fiscal year decreased by 11% year-on-year, taking the figures to 11.34 million tons. That's all from this week. Thank you for watching this video.